While US crude has traded bullish throughout the day and achieved $72 levels before dropping till towards 70.6 levels and has seen a good bounce back. At the same time, net gas so far has traded in the no trade zone, which I shared in the morning update with the Asia session, that do not trade between 2.64 and 2.7 levels. Very good resistance exists here. Precisely, these levels have provided it a good support. Now, what to expect with the US session, which position you should take trading crude and net gas, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Also, you can join my free Telegram channel where you get the live market updates. Let's start first to look into US crude, followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. First, let's have a look at the hourly charts. See the drop, the retracement. Now wait for it to break past 72.2. You can expect uh, probably it might show you a very good rise beyond 72.5 levels and 72.6 levels. Beyond that, again, it is looking forward to 73.6, 74 levels. Also, if you look at, see the rise from here, the retracement, higher lows here, and it is again trying to look up. Hence, breaking below 72.4, again it should be considered bullish, where you can expect 73, 74 levels. But look at stochastic on the hourly chart. This has come to overbought levels. The MACD on the other hand has crossed over, trading with divergence, looking bullish. You can see this is the second wave here. As on the hourly chart, see the oil movement here. Now it is trying to look upwards, and if it breaches past this, certainly more bullishness, which means 72, 72.4 zone is something you should watch out for. RSI looking upwards, and if you look at the 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts also, it is appearing to be trading bullish. It is trying to break past the resistance 72 levels certainly, and then we can expect 72.45 zone, where beyond that certainly more bullishness is going to be seen. Now till 73 you have to be cautious and watchful, and then 73.6, 74 levels. Till now, see what it has done is, this was the rise earlier, it is retraced, it is closed the position, and now trying to resume its upward journey. Also, if you look at, see, just exclude this, you will find this is the bearish flag and bullish flag, and if it breaks out beyond 72.2, 72 to 72.4 or 72.5 zone is something which is going to give it a good resistance. Beyond that, it is going to fly high for 73 and then 73.6, 74 levels. Stochastic is seen rising back to overbought zone. The MACD is seen converging here, trying to cross over for a buy. RSI looking upwards, showing a little strength. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at 3-hour charts here. See, on the 3-hour charts, the movement is still clear. It is still in this bullish zone. It is trying to recover from here. Possibility exists that beyond 72.5 levels more bullishness will exist. Hence, till the time it stays now above 71.8 levels, one can stay long. One can expect 72.4, 73 levels to be seen there today itself, and beyond that more bullishness may prevail. Stochastic is seen rising, MACD seen converging, RSI looking upward, showing the strength. And if you look at 4-hour chart, see one bullish candle, second bullish candle to follow, which means that the bullishness might prevail, and hence till the time it respects the previous resistance at 71.8, 71.7, one can stay long for little more bullishness there. Stochastic is seen rising, MACD is seen converging here, trying to cross over for a buy entry, RSI almost flat, and look at the daily chart. On the daily chart, the move is clear. See the rise, retracement, higher levels, higher lows, the rise, retracement, higher lows. So this is trying to squeeze out here. But one thing is clear, that after 3 retracement candles, it is trying to pull back up on the upside. And hence the bullishness might prevail here for 72.5, 73 levels at least. The stochastic is seen dropping. See, the MACD has crossed over, trading with little divergence and bullishness. And this we have seen several times, that it has hit a bottom and it may try to recover, and hence little up move cannot be denied. RSI also looking upwards. Considering this for the day, if till the time it stays above 71.5 levels rather, one can take a stop loss and one can stay long, and one can expect to 72.5, 73 levels. Below 71.5, you can again expect 71.2, 71 levels as the first targets, and then 70.5, 70 levels at this. Till 70 and 69.4, I will not consider this as bearish. Only below 69.4 we can consider oil as bearish, and then it is going to fall heavily for the week. And right now for the day you can in fact be, see 71.5 levels, it should not be breached. If it breaches 71.5, the bearishness will take it for 71.2, 71 levels. 71 is a very very good support, and below that further drop can be seen. Till it respects 71.5 and 71.8 levels, one can stay long and possibly expect 72.4 and above levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. And before we look at natural gas, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, do not you can join my 22nd batch. It starts on 5th of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details on same. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where you're trading as per the signals you can benefit. Reach out to my telegram and email IDs mentioned in the channel and video description for more details on same. Now look at the hourly chart for natural gas. See the drop there, retracement, and again it is trying to continue with the downward journey here. 2.64, very very good support for net gas. Below that you can expect 2.6, 2.55, 2.5 till 2.5, no bearishness, nothing. In fact, till 2.45 it should not be considered as bearish. This should be a retracement only. Stochastic has dropped. MACD divergent bearish, RSI looking down. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, see retracement here. First red candle, second red candle can be further bearish here. You can sell it at 2.63 levels, expect 2.6 and below levels there. Stochastic dropping, MACD divergent bearish, RSI looking down. And on the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation. One red candle, one retracement candles, one red candle, second red candle may follow for 2.6 and below levels. Stochastic is seen coming out of the oversold zone. The MACD is divergent bearish looking downwards here. RSI is also looking down, which is also a bearish indication. And if you look at 4-hour chart, similar is the observation. But here the stochastic is oversold. Hence one should be watchful of, as it is also getting some support here. Though the MACD has crossed over, it is trading with divergence, it is also bearish. So possibly it can sustain the oversold zone for a couple of red candles. RSI looking down. And if you look at the daily, now look at daily chart, see there is lot much of liquidity gap which needs to be covered here. It can try to retrace a little. 2.6 levels with something I can look forward to. In fact 2.55 and 2.5, these are two levels which can be covered here. If it continues or its downward journey, these are going to be strongest support, and hence you can sell below 2.63 levels and expect a drop. Stochastic is seen dropping. MACD is bullish, trying to converge. RSI near to the overbought levels. Considering this, sell at 2.63, expect 2.6, 2.55, 2.5 levels. If not today, possibly by tomorrow, these levels will get achieved. If it stays below 2.6 levels, then and then only. These are two major milestones which it might try to cover. And on the upside, a buy entry is only about 2.7 levels. Beyond 2.7, stay long for 2.8, and then my favorite $3 levels will also be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.